Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix the enable to connect problem easily and fast on your WhatsApp. First thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager and go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the WhatsApp app right here, click on the force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details and then click on the app launch option. Make sure that all those options are enabled, click OK, click down here on this force stop as you can see, and then you have to do one last thing, which is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure to update it into the latest version. After that you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.